What's up, peeps? We're swimming in a sea of overwhelming tasks, deadlines sneaking up on us like super secret ninjas, unfinished projects piling up higher than that laundry you've been ignoring. Ring a bell? If it does, you're in the right place. The key to mastering this chaos isn't clocking in more hours at work, but rather flexing your time management muscles. With some tips and tricks up your sleeve, you'll be able to boost productivity, chill out stress levels, and find that elusive work-life balance. Isn't that the dream? Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret, or 7. That's right, 7 secret strategies to make you a time management guru, whether you're a corporate ninja, a student juggling assignments, or a freedom seeker wanting to make the most of your leisure time. My bag of tricks includes gems like the Eisenhower Box and the Pareto Principle. And what's more, get ready to dive into the nitty-gritty of time blocking and the the Pomodoro Technique. We'll also check out some nifty ways to delegate, set goals, and bury procrastination once and for all. And don't forget, we'll explore some tech treats that'll supercharge your time management journey. The goal here, my friend, is turning you into an efficiency wizard, no matter what field you're playing in. So keep your ears open and buckle up. It's time to unlock the potential and make every second count.